Hello guys! It's your girl, Buzzy. As you can see, napaka-busy ng above na yan. But anyways, this video has been far too long na dito sa gallery ko at ngayon ko lang siya maba-voice over. So ayan, nag-arrange ako ng tar papel and later on, I was just snip, and paste them all together. I'll show you. This is called tar papel, no? So, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out which part I'm going to cut so that I can attach them later on. So yeah, since I don't have an advisory, we are called floating teachers. So I am assigned to do the bulletin board, the welcome back bulletin board for the third floor, which senior high school classrooms are located. So yeah, that's it. Well, for the explaining person, pero yan guys, nagko-contemplate pa ako. Iniisip ko ba kung paano ko ito sisimulan, saan ko ikakat, no? Pero ayan, dumating na ang aking co-floating teacher, si Ma'am Shaira. When we say floating, wala kaming advisory, ay inuulit ko lang. So kami yung mga naka-assign dito. So this video was taken, no? Nababasa niyo naman siguro, marunong naman kayong magbasa yan. Welcome back to school. So yan, sinimulan na naman yung mag-cut-cut and then assemble na, didikit-dikit na lang, 'di ba? So ayan na, paste na. Meron na tayong Elmer's glue, baka naman, no? Best friend ng mga teacher pag nag-art, ganun. So sinimulan ko na guys, tapos may mga bata dyan na dadating, so tulungan nila ako na parang A1. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko guys, para manood na lang kayo, nakikita niyo naman na pinagdidikit-dikit na namin yan ni Ma'am Shaira, di ba? So tutulungan-tulungan, bakit? Ano ba? Just a little bit chika-chika, syempre naman. So tama na guys, no? Skip na tayo sa nabuo na siya na part. It's done! So we're just waiting for it to dry up so we can display it on the bulletin board in the new building third floor. So this is the finished product. Here. Wait, di pa na siya nahuman. So, unsa man, kumusta? It's nice. This is the finished product. Finished product mo. The finished product. So, balik sa akin sa office, kaya napilit naman siya ang bulletin board. It's not yet done because we still need to add some things. So, yeah, we'll just gonna think what are we going to add. Bye. So, ano na guys, eto when I say it's not done, hindi pa talaga siya tapos. So, here I am with Ma'am Shaira. Tinatapos na namin siya guys. We're like putting like borders. Nakikita niya naman yan, may mata naman kayo. But anyway, so kailangan mo na talaga tong di ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko. But anyways, no, as a teacher, no, everything is possible. Lahat kakayanin. So, ayan na. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Tapusin na natin to. Guys, so, muna niya siya. We're just going to finish both sides. Tapos na! We can sleep na! We're done! Ay, Ma'am Shai, thank you so much! Diba? Teamwork. Bakit? Aesthetic may din na part. Tulo na rin! Not yet done. Made some few adjustments. So, to enhance the look of the bulletin board to make it more colorful and lively. So, yeah. Wala si Ma'am Shaira. He attended the junior high school's orientation this afternoon. So, I'm left here. Laban. Okay, so far this is how it looks. Okay, so let's see if we can still add more things later on, but it looks good. It's fine. Not too dry anymore. Oh wow, so this is the final output. I just decided to put the colorful borders to match the colorful books below. So that's it. Okay na to. Oh, okay na to. Tama na.